Instagram stories are the power tool you're not fully using yet to grow your brand. Whether you're selling handmade gifts, kids' clothing, or beauty products, stories are a game changer for engaging with your audience and boosting sales. Why do stories matter? Over 500 million people watch Instagram stories daily. Brands using stories see higher engagement and click-through rates. But here's the secret: your stories need to stand out. That's where Kittl.com comes in. Kittl is a professional online design tool perfect for creators and brands. With drag and drop templates and customizable fonts, you can design high-quality Instagram stories, posts, and more, even if you're not a graphic designer. Let me show you how Kittl can help you elevate your Instagram game. Kittl has a user-friendly interface, so there is no need for advanced design skills. Then they have loads of templates made for brands, so you can choose from story templates tailored for promotion, sales, and announcements. You get custom fonts and icons, so you can add your brand's personality through unique typography and graphics. And it is a multi-purpose design tool, so you can create Instagram stories, you can design posts and carousel slides, and even build your Instagram Reels covers. Now, how do you create Instagram stories with Kittl? First, you can go to the link in the description to sign up for Kittl and create your account. Then you can start searching for a template that you will use for your stories. And for that, you can explore Kittl's library of ready-to-use Instagram story templates. You can pick one for your product's promotions, such as flash sale or new product launch. Then, to customize the design, you can add your brand colors and logo. And the most important thing is to use high-quality images of your products. So let's create a few stories with Kittl right now. So you go to Kittl, you go to social, and then click on Instagram stories. You will find a lot of templates that you can use for your stories. So now it really depends on your branding, style, and the types of products that you're trying to advertise in your stories. Here's an example for houses, clothes, different outfits, an announcement, and more. Let's create one for our clothing. All you have to do from here is choose your project colors or the background color, and it will automatically change the way your story looks. Then you can choose the text color, the font. You can click ungroup and delete those images, and then you can drag and drop images to replace those. Then you can get inspired by all the other templates that they have available, such as share a question that your audience might have about your product and answer it in a story. Show them your entire new collection. Show them a new arrival. Add some beauty tips, and so much more. Then you can add catchy phrases such as last chance or new arrival alert. You can then export your story and upload to Instagram. You can also add interactive elements such as polls, countdowns, or links. Now, here are a few creative Instagram stories ideas to engage your audience and boost your product sales. First, behind the scenes stories where you share how you packed your product, how your product was made. For example, watch us embroider our hoodie, and you can pick one of Kittl's templates to showcase that. Next, before and after stories. Showcase different transformations of your product, so how the product was used and the result it got. For example, how this teething set helped our baby. Next, you can do customer testimonials. So you can create slides with review photos from real customers. Next, you can do product spotlight, and you can highlight the benefits of a product in 3 or 4 slides. For example, why our velvet balloon wall hangings are the perfect nursery addition. And then you can use limited time offers. You can use countdown timers and bold graphics to drive urgency. For example, 50% off for the next 24 hours only. Next, you can use Kittl to create Reels covers, so you can keep your Instagram account looking professional at all times. Other graphics that you can start creating with Kittl are carousel posts for your Instagram account. You can add engaging text overlays and storytelling elements. You can also create promotional graphics for your Instagram posts for a new collection drop or back in stock or Black Friday campaign. But the most important thing of it all is to build a successful Instagram strategy overall. So to make the most of your Instagram efforts, you need to post consistently first and foremost, and to understand your niche and your target audience. And of course, share stories daily to stay on top of the mind of your customers. Then make sure to use interactive features such as add polls, questions, and quizzes about your brand and products. Then another really important thing is to leverage analytics. So take a look at your analytics, how your stories are performing, which are performing best, and what did you do in those stories to keep your audience engaged, and do more of that. And then it is very important to keep your brand cohesive. So you can use tools like Kittl to ensure that all your visuals align with your brand identity. So there you go, you can start designing professional Instagram stories and graphics with Kittl. If you want to elevate your Instagram strategy and grow your product selling brand, Kittl is the way to go. So just visit the link in the description to get started. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!